Today we're going to take a look at how to find the volume of an irregularly shaped object using an overflow container. You can see in this video that I've got my overflow container set up with water coming right to the edge of the exit tube. So I had to fill that up with water. I put paper towel underneath when I filled it just in case there were drips. I don't want to have any drips coming off. It should be dry, and place a dry container at the base of the exit tube on your table. Now I'm placing a rock inside the overflow container. Once I place that rock in, water starts to exit through the exit tube and continues to drip. We'll keep collecting all of that in our dry paper cup and wait until it's completely finished dripping, because we want to make sure we have absolutely every bit of water that represents the volume of that irregularly shaped object. Now, all of the water in my cup represents the volume of that rock, and I need to find out how much water is in my cup. To do this, I'm going to use some other tools. I will need to use my graduated cylinder. You can see that this graduated cylinder has markings on the side in milliliters. I'm going to take my paper cup and pour all of the liquid I collected into the graduated cylinder, making sure I don't miss a drop, because I want to measure accurately. So if I miss even one drop, I won't know the exact volume of that rock. Now I notice that there's some air bubbles in my graduated cylinder, so I'm going to give it a tap, make sure I get those air bubbles out. And then I'm going to look on the side of that graduated cylinder at the base. Going from the bottom up, I see the first value is 10. And I'm looking for the meniscus, the bottom of that curved line of representing the water. And I can see the bottom of that line is right at 10. So the volume of my liquid, now it's a little sideways, is exactly 10, maybe just a smidgen over, not even 11 yet, 10 milliliters. That's the volume of the liquid in my graduated cylinder, which equals the volume of my irregularly shaped object, the rock. We'll just watch it again real quick. It's really important to be careful here at this stage that you start with water right at the very tip of that exit tube, and then wait until all of the liquid that's been displaced by the object gets into your cup.